All English Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to All English Podcasts, where learning English feels like talking to a friend. Today's topic is one of my favorites, how to learn spoken English.
Perfect. Because I'm still learning how to speak English without saying every 5 seconds.
You're not alone, Jack. Many learners can read and write well, but speaking confidently is another story.
That's right, but don't worry. Today, we'll share real tips, fun stories, and examples that will help you speak English like a pro.
So Jack, tell me, what's the hardest part about speaking English for you?
Honestly, I know a lot of words, but when I try to speak, my brain just freezes.
That's super common. Many learners think too much before speaking. They try to translate every word in their head.
Exactly. The key is to think in English, not translate.
But how do you do that? My brain loves translation.
Start small. Try describing your day in English. Like, I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I made coffee. No need for perfect grammar. Just practice speaking naturally.
Yes, focus on communication, not perfection.
So, if I say I make sleep, it's okay?
Not perfect, but still good practice.
Here's the secret. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes.
You don't need a native speaker. You can talk to yourself.
Oh, great. My neighbors will think I've lost my mind.
It's called shadowing. You repeat after English videos, movies, or podcasts. It helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
Let's try. Repeat after me. I'm learning English. I'm getting better every day.
I'm learning English. I'm getting better every day. Hey, I actually sound kind of good.
See? You're already improving. Okay, Lily, give us your top fun tips.
Sure, here are my favorites. 1. Watch movies with subtitles, then repeat lines you like. 2. Record yourself speaking and listen again. 3. Join online conversation clubs or apps like Tandem. 4. Pretend you're a movie character and act it out.
Oh, I'm good at pretending. Yesterday, I pretended I was a British gentleman ordering tea. I would like a cup of tea, please, my dear.
Impressive accent, Sir Jack.
That's actually great practice. Acting helps you relax and improve fluency.
Let's talk about fear. Many learners are shy to speak because they're afraid of mistakes.
Yeah, that's me. I always think people will laugh.
But here's the truth. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. When you make a mistake, just smile and continue. Confidence is more powerful than grammar.
So I can be wrong. And still awesome?
Totally. Confidence makes your English shine.
Let's practice real-life conversations.
Okay, situation 1, ordering food.
Hi! I would like a burger and a soda, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "Can I have a burger, please?" Or, "I'll take a burger."
Now situation 2, meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice. Add a friendly question. Where are you from? Or, what do you do?
Exactly. Small talk builds confidence.
You can't speak well if you don't listen well.
So, Netflix is English practice?
Absolutely. Listen to podcasts, music, and shows. Focus on how people speak, their tone, rhythm, and expressions.
And repeat what you hear. That's shadowing again?
I see. So my Netflix time is now study time? Brilliant.
Let's make it practical. Create a simple daily plan. Morning. Talk to yourself for 1 minute about your plans. Afternoon. Listen and repeat one video line. Evening. Record a 30-second story about your day.
That's only a few minutes, but powerful?
So, it's like brushing your teeth for your English brain.
Exactly. Consistency wins.
Learning spoken English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave, curious, and consistent.
Yes, Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now and enjoy the process.
And remember, mistakes are just funny stories for later.
That's a great way to see it. So today we talked about how to learn spoken English, from daily practice to confidence and fun ways to speak.
Remember, practice out loud every day, even for a few minutes.
And if your brain freezes, just breathe, smile, and speak anyway.
Thanks for listening to All English Podcast. If you enjoyed today's episode, share and tell us what your favorite tip was.